Welcome to Getting Dirty. I'm Gene, and I'm here because I really need a job. Today we're going to be talking about fertilizer. So Matt, what are we going to be doing today?
We're going to be throwing down fertilizer, spraying any weeds that are here.
Well, as you can tell by my very clean shirt, you know I'm a hard-working guy, so let's do it.
Okie dokie.
How often should someone fertilize their lawn?
Ours is custom made, our fertilizer, and when we put it down, it lasts about a month and a half, sometimes 2 months if there's not a whole lot of rain or watering going on. It just depends on the weather.
I went to a farm once and they used cow pies as fertilizer. Where does SLC get their cow pies from?
With cow pies is that there's a lot of undigested seeds that'll actually come up in your lawn. Like if you use it for your garden, you're gonna have a lot of unwanted plants in your garden that are undigested seeds from the cow pies.
Why choose SLC versus just working on your lawn yourself?
You know it's gonna get done right with the premium products that we have. And you don't have to worry about dark green lines in your lawn if you don't spread that fertilizer right.
So why is my dad so weird about his lawn and not loving me? I mean, what's that about?
I don't know.
That's another episode of Getting Dirty. I'm Gene, and I'm one step closer to completing my internship. Catch you next time.